Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel where I will be discussing about Ielts. So Ielts is International English Language Testing System, and in this video I will tell you about different modules of Ielts. So generally we have only 4 modules of Ielts that can be seen here. So talking about very first module, it's listening, reading, writing and speaking. So these are 4 modules and I will be discussing about academic IELTS. So let's begin with the listening. So in listening, here is the timing written for every module and here is the content written for every module. So in listening is of 30 minutes, which means an audio will be played that will be for 30 minutes plus 10 minutes means 10 minutes are 10 minutes will be given to you to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. So in listening you will be given 4 different sections that will be played, and you need to answer 40 questions on behalf of that 4 sections. So each section will contain 10 questions. So let's move towards the next module, that is reading. So reading is generally of 60 minutes. So in reading we have 3 passages. So different 3 passages, those are generally related to science, or it can be related to some technology. Most of the topics are generally related to science and technology. So for 3 passages we have 40 questions, and these 60 minutes can be divided as 20 minutes for each passage. So it can help us to it can help to manage your time. So moving next, we have writing. So in writing there are 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2, and it's the same as reading, the timing is same. So it is also of 60 minutes, where you will be given 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 minutes for task 2. Okay, so talking about task 1, in task 1 you will be given some type of graphs, map, or some other like pie chart. These are some examples of task 1, and you will be writing some material on behalf of that. Whereas in task 2 you will be given an essay that can be agree or disagree, advantage or disadvantage. These are some types of task 2 where you have to write the essays. Then moving towards the last module, that is speaking. Speaking is generally of 11 to 15 minutes. So it's type of conversation between 2 people. So it has 3 parts. In the very first part, that will be introductory questions. So there the examiner will ask you some few questions that can be very general. Then in the second part you will be given cue card. The introductory questions can run up to 2 to 3 minutes. Then you have to speak on a cue card that can be also of 3 to 4 minutes. Then you will be asked some follow-ups. So the cue card that you will speak, the follow-ups will also be similar to that. Means whatever you have spoken, whatever you have discussed with your examiner, the same questions related to that will be asked in your follow-ups. So I hope this video will help you, and I will discuss other in another video. Thank you so much.